Yellow Chanel update. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic chic shithead. And today we're doing a little quick Chanel update, a Chanel collector, Chanel king, Chanel cuckoo head. Doing a Chanel update. I'm going to try to do this video super quick, so we're going to see how that goes. Oh my god, really exciting. We're going to talk about the Chanel new launch collection, the Chanel Kelly, and some of the other bags in the collection, my current status with getting the Kelly or one of the other bags. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so if you watched my last two videos, updates, I was trying to get the Chanel Kelly and I thought I was gonna get it, but apparently I did not get it. And so a bunch of people have been getting it now on TikTok. One person, I actually saw one girl on TikTok say that she got it, she won it as a raffle. Like everyone was waiting outside the morning of, like, in line, and then the manager came out and said, who's here for the Chanel Kelly? And a couple girls raised their hands and he said, instead of just doing it first come first serve, we only got one model in, so we're gonna do a raffle, and whoever wins the raffle gets the bag. Fair, but also kind of sucks for the girl that was probably first in line, or guy. Anyway, so I was gonna try to get it last week. I thought I was getting it, but I did not end up getting it. So I'm still waiting. There's a chance that they might have more, and if they have more, I might be able to get one next Monday from once the New York stores are able to ship. If they're able to ship next Monday and they have any, they can ship it to me, Bergdorf's or Bloomies. And if my SA here can get it, then I'll be able to get it, but it doesn't sound like they got it. Meanwhile, I have asked about a couple other bags, and they have had them available. So they've had this black patent leather one, which I thought was kind of cool, and then this like mini so black one that I thought was kind of cool. So I'm gonna show you photos about those and videos about those. This is the small flat bag. I'll probably just put it side by side with here, but it's kind of this patent leather, all black with a camellia on the front. It's pretty cute, $5,900. I also actually reached out to my Paris SAs, both my Paris SAs, and asked if they could get me one. My Paris SA at Cambon said that they are not able to hold or to do a pay by link. They did pay by links in COVID, but they're not allowed to do that anymore, because if they would have, I could have paid by link and then just picked it up later, which would have been amazing, and it would have been at Paris prices, which would have been amazing. But unfortunately, no. But they said if they do get any in, they'll try to hold it for me, and I can have somebody in Paris go and buy it for me, and then I can pay them. So that's an option. And then my other Paris SA said that they didn't get any in, but they did have this patent leather one as well. And the other option that I really, really liked, which I'm still iffy about, but is this like mini flap in crumpled calf skin in black leather that's so black. It's the mini flap, but it's got this like different shape a little bit with the so black strap, which I do really want a so black bag, because I feel like they're so hard to get, and it's all black. What I also like about this is that it's got that front pocket, but then it's also got a zip pocket in the back and a flat pocket in the back, so it's got 3 little compartments. I think the front pocket is big enough for your phone, I'm not sure, but if that's your little phone pocket, bomb. And then also what I really like is that it has the long chain, the crossbody chain, but then it also has this little short chain that can like kind of hang in front and kind of give you that like Chanel 19 vibe of like a just little hanging chain in the front. But also I feel like it is big enough for you to wear it top handle and then let the whole chain just kind of drop, or wear in the crook of your arm, or tuck the chain inside and kind of carry it as a little tiny top handle bag. I'm not quite sure. If I see it in person, I will let you know. That makes me really excited for it too. But then again, I don't know. I'm really excited about getting one, but also at the same time, like, you know, it's always like a toss-up with me, because Chanel, they still make beautiful things and they come out with good things, but the prices always just keep going higher, and the quality apparently keeps going down. Like, I have not had any issues so far, but people, like, I saw this other girl's TikTok the other day, and she said her buckle just fell off in less than a year. Like, it literally just came apart, and that's crazy. Chanel does offer a Chanel et Moi, like Trois et Moi or Chanel et Moi something program, 5 years of warranty for anything with a bag from the date of purchase starting in 2021. But I mean, 5 years is good, but like I think Bottega has like a lifetime warranty now, and like, I don't know, everyone keeps talking about the quality, but I think this one's pretty cool. What else was in their collection? Our favorite, of course. I mean, look, I've seen so many of them pop up. Everyone's getting them. I don't know why I can't get one. I thought you had to be like VVIP. I was watching like Audrey Peters. I think Audrey Peters is her name on TikTok. She was saying that it's like you have to be VVIP and spend over $100,000 to even be offered one, and she wasn't getting offered one. But then all these like random people are getting them, and they're just getting them. So I don't know. Who knows? Maybe they're just picking and choosing. Maybe it's a corporate thing. This one's kind of cool too. It's okay. Hi, Chai. This one's okay. I don't think I would get it. The other thing is the other two minis are now $5,900, so they're $6,500 for a mini, which, like, the minis used to be 4, or I think they're standard, like the lambskin standard, just a classic mini flap, rectangular or square is 42 and 44. Still right now it's like 44 and 49 maybe. I'm not exactly quite sure. I can look it up real quick. 60, 59, 65. It's just so much for mini. But then again, look at me spending like 10K on like 5 different freaking, what are they called, hackadoses. So like, I don't know. But it's just because when I compare it to also their new small classic handbag in the pink, I'm sure is going to be impossible to get. It's $9,600. So they haven't gotten price up. The prices were supposed to go up apparently, and they've gone up in other countries, but they haven't gone up in the US. So they're doing a small classic fact in a pink and then in the black, the same 2 colors as the Chanel Kelly, which seems, you know, kind of like I mean, everybody knew this Kelly was going to be the most popular thing out of the things out of this season. So, but this caviar pink one is probably super popular too. I'm sure that's going to fly off the shelves too. Even at $9,600, I feel like it'll still fly off the shelves. The caviar one, what was I saying? Okay, the Kelly. Oh, and also, yeah, and the other reason $5,900 is so much money is because all the ones I bought, which granted I bought them all in Paris, were like 4 or like 45 was the most I spent on a mini, and that was after VAT, after everything, which still was a lot, but it was like, I don't know, 65 seems like a lot. But then again, okay, I'm gonna check. Let's see what else do we got here. So we got the mini in pink. Then we've got that one we already did. Oh. There's like these like fake pearl ones. Also, I think fake pearls and like not even 24 karat gold or 18 karat gold or whatever it is now. Yeah, this one with like, you know, imitation pearls. It's kind of cool though. It does give me like a cool, like, you know, I like this vibe. It's kind of cool. Oh, this dress that Sophia Richie Grange wore in one of her TikToks. This dress is gonna be everywhere, but she's carrying the bag in this one and it looks kind of cool. Oh, this like boxy one for 53 that's kind of like a lunch boxy shape. I don't know. I have no comment. And this fabric one that's like kind of like a messenger is kind of cool, but I don't think it bites the bullet, but I think it's a cool design. I don't think it's the one I'm gonna get, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna look up real quick mini. Oh, but the other thing, sorry, about this one that I do like, it's a little different, is that I have a video of it that I can post too. So, I mean, I am really much considering this one. So 2 of my essays have it. Again, I can't get it for a week, so it might be gone, but they might get more. And then one of the ones in LA at Neiman's, I think, has it, but I don't know if I want to get it. I might go into a look at it. Maybe I'll go and look at it. What I do like about it is that it's shiny, but it's so black. And it also has this little front pocket, which is kind of nice. So it's got a front pocket, big pocket with zips, zip and maybe a pocket there too. I don't know, yes or no. And then the back also has the, you know, that Mona Lisa pocket. So that one's kind of cool. I can post a video of it right now. Let's see, what was I looking at? I think I was looking up just a regular mini, how much a regular mini goes for these days. So a small square mini is 47 now from 42, 500 more plus tax. And then this one is 49. So that went up 500 too. So 549 plus, you know, it's like 53 now for this beautiful square rectangular mini flap in the Lamskana. And then I clicked on a few more. This one's 47 for the small red one, which again, I actually kind of like this little red one. I wouldn't mind the red one, but I would want it with gold hardware, but I do like this little red thing going on. I don't have any really cute little red bags, which I do want to get at some point. And then this is 56 for this like multicolor one in patent. And then I think, yeah, I think that's the same. 49 for the plain one and 56 for the patent one. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should we look at the Parisian prices real quick just to compare? No, let's not. I mean, I'm sure they're way less, which is just gonna make me sad. But if I am able to get in France, that would be really exciting. Okay, fine, we'll check in the French website really quick. It's already starting to sweat. I'm sweating so much. Definitely cutting this. The France prices for, okay, the Kelly in France is 4,300 euros. So euro to dollar right now is what? 1.07. Ooh, 4,300 euros is $4,500. But then minus 10%, you're looking at like 4,600. You're looking at 41. 41. So 41 versus 44 plus tax. So 48. So 41 versus 48, you're looking at $700 savings. It's pretty good. $700 savings. Let's see what else we got. Let's look at this patent. So 5550 versus that was 59, right? Oh wow. 5,900 in the US versus 5,500 euros. So 5,500 euros is gonna take me to what? $5,900. So it's about the same dollar. So you're just saving the tax, but then you're saving the tax that way and then the VAT tax that way. So $5,900 and $5,900 plus tax in the US, 5,500 euros, which becomes $5,900, but then minus the VAT. So you're going backwards. So you're saving $600, you're saving $1,200. So you're saving double tax everywhere, on every bag. Just think of it that way. So $4,400, yeah, you're saving double tax both ways. Almost worth getting in Paris. Maybe I'm just gonna wait for Paris. Just gotta wait for Paris again. I guess, I don't know. That's why I can't always justify buying these things. But that's also why I don't end up having the like stronger relationship with the essays here and getting the better things here, because I don't buy the things here. Hermes, I have to buy here because it's impossible to get there, and if you get it here, you get it here. Chanel it just makes no sense, I think, to buy here sometimes. I don't know. What do you guys think? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Have you guys gone and seen the new collection? Let me know in the comments below. If you have, what do you think? Have you gotten anything? Have you seen the Kelly in person? I might go to the store just to check it out. And if I do, I'll post a video or I'll post a little like, you know, trying on or something like that. If I can, you know, one of those. Okay, that's all I got, I think. Yeah, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.